and all the proceeds to charity.
Fantastic. And the Scouts at the UK are getting involved too with the help of Bear Grylls. They've hiked to the moon by walking a mile each to collectively cover the 230,000 miles into outer space, all in aid of the big night in. So well done to the Scouts.
Well done,
Amazing
Scouts.
effort. And here we have our very own Pudsey Bear Grylls, who's done his mile too.
We have in the UK 500,000 young people and volunteers involved in scouting. And we figured out if everyone hikes a mile, that will mean we'll get all the way to the moon and back. So that's what we're doing, and people all across the country have been doing this. You scouts, you volunteers, all of you, you're an inspiration. So thank you. You're brilliant.
Here, well done to all the Scouts and all of those other brilliant fundraisers.
And thanks to all of you for your amazing stories, but it doesn't stop there. Your local BBC radio station